like to be knocking.
Your turn for the book bag, ain't
Huh? No. Now you see how I feel.
Man, you choose to carry the book bag. You do be needing it though.
Oh God. Ready?
back up, bro. On my life, fool, I'm dead ass serious. Damn.
What the fuck?
Well, am I well caught?
Ryan, that motherfucker. What up, man?
What wrong with that motherfucker?
I guess it sound like it started.
I think my battery
Or
did.
the battery
Battery went out on that jank.
It need that better.
But it kind of sound like my starter too, though.
Oh, okay. It wouldn't push off and crank up?
I ain't tried, cause you know the 2018 can't run without the battery.
Slinging that bitch around and
I
everything.
can't run my fuel pump or nothing. Yeah, I was pushed to the end, and we just since you had something to do, I just called somebody.
Hold on, me back. This mother got they should be good.
You try to pull over to the side. I'm gonna push it from on the other. Push it around. Well, we can load this joint. Yeah, we can load this joint.
Where y'all finna go? To the house? What happened, Jake?
What you gonna do?
Burger can take me to the house.
Yeah, he should. What you gonna?
What, it quit on it?
Yeah, the battery went out on that hoe. That bitch just went out. On God.
What kind of battery you even got, Steve?
Oh.
It don't want to start back up.
I done tried to crank that hoe. That be not cranking.
Start try with the choke.
Nah, the battery went dead. Look. I was saying, you grab the cable, didn't you? You got the cable.
If you want to try it out. You put your shit on back of the truck too?
He
wanna ride it.
Hey, yeah, that motherfucker. I'm gonna ride that.
We got some little grips on that
Oh
motherfucker.
God, boy, got some grips on that motherfucker. Grips and grips.
You
What?
finna get a dirt bike too.
Yeah, he sent it to me. Damn, boy.
Dude, tell me $2500.
Yeah, I was looking at that joint. It's the same year this joint is.
Yeah, I know. I was finna get 250.
I sure finna ask him, did he want to trade that motherfucker?
What he say?
He ain't tell you back. Your battery right here, ain't it? Or on the other side?
Yeah,
It's on the
big
seat.
your battery is.
That motherfucker probably about that big.
That battery.
Hell no, that battery messed up. We got on that.
That hoe small as hell. But hold that motherfucking bike right quick, boy. I'm
You boy
tired.
tired.
Shit.
How the damn seat come up?
Hell.
Screw.
Them screws on the
It
side.
should be a 10.
You say, I know you got a couple some in that motherfucker.
If he ain't got no tools, we can load that motherfucker up.
You
They
gonna
got
ride
all the
back?
damn
It
tools at the house.
might be a 10, huh?
You gonna ride back?
Hell yeah.
No, we would ride. I ain't trying to run this hoe too fast.
Nah, shit.
That hoe,
I'll be right behind y'all. Or probably be in front of you.
cruising that hoe, I get down in a little bit. I'm riding the hell back. I don't know why the hell got like a vibration when you get up. Yeah, it
To a certain speed.
Yeah, D-hoe.
Did y'all been fucking with the front end on?
Nah. We did wreck this bitch.
Oh well, here they probably.
No, I think it's the tire.
I'm
gonna
put too much air in it. Hold on. You need some help, today?
You can lay it
Turn
sideways.
it sideways. You tire got a couple scraps. You want to go down here and help start a crank, or you want to go and take the house?
Yeah, I guess we gonna go and take it in. Cause I'm gonna go and take it in myself. Yep. Oh.
Nah, nigga, you just
Woo. Shit.
to that star.
Hook you hard to that wire. The only single wire that's on today.